Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth not connecting on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now here, go to basically about phone and first check for the software update. So it's very important to check for the software updates first because they can fix a lot of connectivity bugs. If there are some updates available for you, then I'll recommend you guys doing them. And if not, then you just need to wait for another version to come out or simply downgrade to the update before. Now after that, what you guys can do is unpair and repair the device in the Bluetooth settings. So as you guys can see, we need to enable the Bluetooth. Now let's say I want this device. So I'll just connect to it and then click pair. As you guys can see, I'm connected. And what we need to do is we need to unpair and then simply repair. So that's it. Now what you guys can do is restart the Bluetooth device and the device itself. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll down to reboot and let go of your finger. And now I'll see you guys once my phone restarts. So after the restart, what you guys can do is basically give it up to a service center because it might be the issue of your hardware. And that's basically it. You should get a more professional diagnose. Not from me, but from the professional. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.